Good evening. On Wales at 6, critics claim new domestic violence laws will let down the people they're meant to protect. The tornado pilot failed by safety measures. His father calls for a public inquiry. The inconvenient truth, we reveal the spending cuts closing down our public toilets. And built by Welsh engineers, could this be the fastest car in the world? Hello, I'm Andrea Byrne. Welcome to the programme. Now, it's probably not escaped your notice in the last half an hour that we have a new look, and in a new location as well, as ITV Wales has moved its headquarters from the outskirts of Cardiff to the heart of Cardiff Bay. You can still expect all the news, sport and weather at the normal time of 6 o'clock. Nothing has changed there, but an awful lot of work has gone on in the last few months transforming our new home into what you see tonight. And if you want a little extra peek, then you can head to our website. That's itv.com/Wales. Well worth a look indeed if you want to see how all this has come together. That's it for now from me and Ruth. The ITV News is next. I'm back at 12:45 after the World Cup football. Bye-bye.